Hello, this is Kason. Today I'll be making Nissan GTR noises with my mouth in my bathroom and hope my parents don't yell at me. Part 3. Here we go. So let's show you a clip of what it sounds like and then I'll copy it. Alright, let's do a startup first of the Nissan GTR. Here we go. Come on, start up. Let's do a boosted launch. Let's do zoom by.